Hi, my name is Orfelina Martinez and I am your travel advisor. In the world there are many places for you to visit, but let me show why Colombia is your best site to visit in your next vacation. Colombia, land of green and beautiful colors. The cultural growth of Colombia is a mixture of the European, indigenous people, and slaves brought to Africa. Therefore, these customs, food, music, and festival has a little of them. Okay, in Colombia, you can go to the Barranquilla Festival, the Black and White Fair, and the Flowers Fair. Okay? I particularly recommend you to go the Bay of the Cartagena de Indias. It has an amazing beach and you can practice diving and snorkel in its transparent water. Please include in your visit to the archipelago of the Rosario are 28 islands where you can appreciate a different coral, the beautiful and great beauty. Okay? Colombia, let's go to another interesting place, the desert of Guajira. This is a splendid sight of golden sands and Caribbean Sea, and this side has orange sunsets, absolutely paradisiac. Okay, it's so beautiful. Let me show more closer this interesting river. This is called Caño Cristales. Caño Cristales has 5 beautiful colors because the plants are in the riverbeds are the different colors, okay? Red, yellow, blue, green, and black. That is a very, very beautiful because Colombia is land of the color. And of course, I would like to visit the Valle of Sinú. The Valle of Sinú has the castle fair with the rains, and this is a very, very beautiful place. Okay, this is my series, and I would like to visit this series. Okay, I want you to visit as soon as possible.